Improve your dating skills. Does dating have you down? Do you feel like you are no good at dating at all? Is dating awkward for you? Perhaps you just need to improve your skills. There is hope for those of you who feel you are just not that good of a dater. Dating seminars. Yes, you read that correctly. There are seminars out there for singles who just aren't great at dating. These types of seminars will teach you the fine points of being a successful dater. Most of these workshops will include how to appear interested in your date, how to flirt correctly, how to be more confident, how to approach someone you find attractive, and how to talk about something other than yourself during a date. Attending a dating workshop may even help you meet people. After all, everyone there is most likely looking for a date. Online dating course. Not everyone can fit in a day-long workshop for dating, so why not try taking an online dating course? Yes, believe it or not, you can improve your dating skills just by taking a class on the web. There are many sites out there that offer, for a fee, classes that will help improve your dating skills. Most of these classes are self-paced, will give you the basic skills of dating and how to know if the person you are dating is the one. A great site to check out for an e-course in dating is WhatItTakes. Relationship coach. Relationship coaches are just that, someone who you pay to coach you on your dating skills. Relationship coaching, while a bit costly, can be very beneficial. A relationship coach will allow you to talk one-on-one with a real person who is trained to help people improve relationships. A relationship coach will listen to your issues and offer advice on how to improve anything that you may have a concern with as far as your dating ability goes. Relationship coaches are similar to therapists and can be found on the internet or in a phone book search. Read. Wanting to improve your dating skills is great. However, many people don't feel comfortable talking to a stranger or attending a workshop to do this. That is okay. There are many books out there today that are written just for women who are looking to improve their dating skills. One highly recommended book written by E. Jean Carroll, Mr. Right, Right Now, is a great tool for improving your skills. Practice. Once you have learned the skills to improve your dating, try practicing them with a safe audience. Why not ask the assistance of a close girlfriend or a family member to try your skills out on? Practice making eye contact, talking about topics of interest, flirting techniques, and anything else you may have learned. If you can practice these skills in a safe environment, you may feel more comfortable when it is time to implement them with a man of interest. If dating has you down, and you feel like you will never get it right, don't fear. You aren't alone in that concern. So many other women feel like they are no good at dating either. There are many places to turn to that can help improve your dating skills and put you on the road to dating success. Quick tips: dating can be difficult. Don't hesitate to seek assistance from a professional. Once you have honed your dating skills, it is important to get out in the dating world and start using them.